In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PayPal account to System.io so you can accept PayPal payments from people. So first what you want to do is you want to head over to System.io, then go to your logo in the top right hand corner and then head over to settings. Now once you're in settings, you then want to go ahead and find payment gateways. By default you'll be on profile settings, so just click on payment gateways and then click on PayPal, click connect. Then it's going to ask here for your username, password and a signature to PayPal. Now this might be where people get confused, but what you want to do is you want to head over to PayPal. So here I am on my PayPal and I'm logged in. I'm on a business account, so it might be a bit different and depending on when you watch this video. But generally what you want to do is you want to go to your name in the top right hand corner, then go to account settings. Then we want to scroll down here and we want to go to this one where it says MVP SOAP API integration. Go ahead and click Manage API credentials. And here you can see API credentials consist of 3 elements, a username, password, and SSL client-side certificate, which is what we need for System.io. So go ahead and agree and submit to this. Now it's going to show you your API username. Now don't show this to anyone, and I am going to have to blur this. So here is my username. I can now copy this. Then I want to go back to System.io, paste in this username, and I'm going to do the exact same for the password and the signature as well. Okay, so now I've copied in all of that from PayPal. We can now click save, and you can see it's successfully being created. And if I refresh here, there we go, we have PayPal connected, and here is my account username, which again will be blurred. Now the next step that we need to do, we need to configure the IPN settings. So click here where it says don't forget to configure, and that will take you to a new article. And then you want to go back to your name, go to account settings, then go over to notification settings. So notifications here under business profile. And here where it says instant payment notification, you have to now integrate this with System.io. So click update, then scroll down, choose IPN settings, and here you've got a notification URL. Now this is the notification URL you want to enter. It's nearly to the bottom of this page, right? So enter in this notification URL. Again, this is on the System.io article. So paste this in and then click save. Sorry, one more thing, go to edit settings and just change this to receive IPN messages, then click save, and then you should be pretty much all done. So now we've done that, we can head back to System.io. I can refresh this again. And this is now all done, and now you can use PayPal to accept payments from people on System.io. So I hope that video helped you out. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comment section below.